Well, what Stage to Sell does is we basically come into the home, and the whole purpose of doing the consultation, is what we call it, is to help the homeowner do the things they need to do to prepare the home for sale. So we basically walk through the property during a consultation. It takes on the average about an hour and a half. The homeowner is here. Oftentimes the realtor, most of the time, the realtor is with us also and the homeowner, and we go through the whole property. We start at the front, we talk about curb appeal. We look at all aspects of the home because it really is a package that we're trying to merchandise and get on the market. We go through all the rooms. We look at everything from some minor repairs or things that they might do to improve the condition of the home, and we make recommendations as we go through. So it might be something as simple as recommending they paint a room or paint part of the house or maybe paint all the interior, just depending on what we see. We really try to find those things that give us the biggest bang for our buck. We complete basically the hour and a half going through, possibly changing some things around and repurposing some furniture or downsizing some clutter if we have time during that consultation. The more the homeowner prepares for us, the more work they do ahead of time, it gives us more of an opportunity to do some more hands-on. If it's folding some towels in the bathroom, setting a centerpiece on the kitchen table, or rolling up some rugs, some simple things that we might have a chance to get to during that consultation. Well, some of the primary things that we tend to recommend over and over again, there's pretty much a trend I've found when people are putting their house on the market, and those are some of the interior things. For example, paint is probably one of the highest things that I recommend for people to do. We find that a lot of people live in their home for many years often, and one of those things they meant to get around to do, but they didn't. Or maybe they just didn't see that the paint was fading, because we often live in our space and we become desensitized to our own surroundings. So I would say paint. Carpet, another one, if they have carpet or floor coverings that might be old, might be tattered, or maybe they're just a really dated color. So those are two things that really give probably your biggest bang for your buck. And the third I would say would be lighting fixtures or hardware, like for example in the kitchen, maybe changing out knobs to update them, or simple light fixtures like in your foyer, your front entrance, your kitchen, your dining, that are very low cost that you can get at Lowe's or Home Depot's at a really good deal, but it really does bring a big wow.